Hello, and today we are looking at one of the most iconic vehicles to ever grace the screen. It is the Batmobile. Well, this is Corgi's Batmobile with Batman and Robin in 1/46 scale. And let's have a nice look at this classic iconic model. As you can see, it's got a nice window on the front, so you can see the classic Batmobile from 1966 inside. Looking very nice there. A little top view. And as you can also see, it comes in this really nice classic packaging as well. As you can see, we've got a really nice classic artwork of Batman and the Batmobile on the back. Nice classic Batman logo, or say Batmobile. Got Corgi toys written on it. Moving to the top of the box, you can see it has some of the features of this nice model, such as it's a die-cast scale model with operating rocket tubes, chain slasher blade and turbine jet exhaust, which we will look at once we've opened the box. Plus here it says, plus Batmobile owner's badge and rockets, which again, we will look at closely. And one last look at the box itself before we open it up and have a look at this model. So let's just quickly pop open the box and let's gently remove it. Now again, this is a nice die-cast metal model, but some smaller parts may be more delicate, so you should always handle with care. Let's just remove the box like so. As you can see, it's packaged securely with these nice little bits of foam to keep it secure. Let's move our box to the back, out of the way. As you can see here, we've got some Batman instructions, as well as underneath here, the rocket tubes. Now normally they come attached to these two things, but I've already removed them from it so we can have a closer look at the interactive features when we get to it. So let's start with the Batman instructions just here. We should open them up. You can see it says Batmobile operating instructions. It gives you a list, unfold them. Gives you how the different interactive features on this model work. As well as on the back, it says Batmobile owner's badge, which we have right here, which is a nice little cool thing that it comes with. It gives you a little bit about the model. See, your Corgi diecast, your Corgi Batmobile is a highly detailed precision diecast model, incorporating all the features of the real things. And then it details some of the specific details that are featured on this Batmobile. Have a quick look, see if you can spot them once we look at the model itself. So let's put these out of the way and we get to the actual model of the Batmobile. So as you can see, here it is. It's nice and gently remove it and look at this absolutely beautiful die-cast Batmobile. It's got a nice gloss black finish all along it. Looking really nice, see the nice Batman logos all across in this nice red design. Got a nice gold trim on the wheels. And if you look really carefully, you can see all the tyres also say Corgi toys as well, which is a really nice little touch. Got a nice little antenna. Here you can see the rocket firing tubes. As you can see in the cockpit of this car, you can see we have little Batman and Robin figures. You can see looking really nice into it there. It's got a nice little beaker bit here. You can see there is the, let me find the details of it. It is the chain slasher blade. I wanted to get sure I got the right terminology for that. Really nice front of this car. And again, looking at this side. Okay, so these smaller details you may have to be careful of are things like this antenna, as it may be a bit more delicate than the actual body itself. So you've got a nice little tow hook for the Batboat if you had one. Now if we move to the underside of this car, you can see we've got a really cool little Batman figure as well underneath. It's saying Corgi toys. And then right at the bottom here, Batman, Batmobile. This is a really, really nice, iconic vehicle. Now let's look at some of the interactive features of this car. See here, we've got a nice little button. If you press it, you get the chain slasher blade that pops out, which, you know, if you were driving behind a person, just drive up and then slash the back of them with this little chain blade. And it's really easy to just push it back in and it pops in like so. So once again, just pop the button. Really easy, really nice little interactive feature. And on the back, you can see this little flame here. Now, I don't know if you can see it very well, but when you move, the flame actually moves as well, which is a really nice, cool touch. It's motion activated, so It doesn't do anything when it's standing still, but as soon as the car starts driving, as you can see, the flame moves with it, which is a really, really cool little feature. Now let's move on to the last main interactive feature, which is the rocket tubes here on the back. As you can see, it's got 3 little spaces. So let's take 3 little rockets from our pouch here. Now it does come with 12 rockets in total, so you have plenty. Be careful, as they are quite easy to lose. As you can see, once we fire this thing, as it has quite a strong firing mechanism. So if we load up all 3 tubes, like so, you can see here we've got a nice little roller. You just want to roll it forward, like so, and as you can see, let's see, it shoots out the rockets. Let's do one more little demonstration. Place them in, and just, they shoot out quite strongly, so do be careful, as they are quite easy to lose with how fast they shoot out. Now, let's go into a little bit about the actual model itself. So this model was first released back in 1966 to coincide with the popular Batman TV show of the time, starring Adam West as Batman and Burt Ward as Robin. Actually, we've got the nice little figures of them in this car. And this is a re-release, and it's been re-released after over 40 years since it was originally made. And it was the second best-selling Corgi release of all time. It's a really iconic model, and a really iconic Corgi model at there, of one of the most iconic vehicles of all time. Now this re-release is as true to the original as possible, with a few upgrades, such as to make the things, just a little bit sturdier, a little bit more accurate, such as the chainsaw blade and the rocket tubes. Like I've said, it comes with these nice little Batman figures in there as well. Make it the display piece just even better. That's the first time it actually comes with these figures. Of course, we've got a new and improved tow hook here, which is for the Batbo, if you had one as well, so you can have it towing along behind it. So it's a really, really nice model. Really, really cool. You can see the nice cockpit as well. Get it to focus. You can see through it. Really cool interactive features. A really nice gloss design. Of course, very interactive. You can see the flame. Overall, it's really, really nice. Of course, a little bit about its size. It's about 13.5 centimeters long, or 5.3 inches. It has a height of about 4 centimeters, or 1.6 centimeters. 1.6 inches, sorry. And a width of about 4.7 centimeters, or 1.8 inches. So overall, it's a really, really cool collector's model for anyone who is a fan of, say, Corgi models, Batman, comic books. Just overall, really, it's a model that applies to so many people. And it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.